Okay, so our second tool is alternating nostril breathing. So super easy. All we're going to do is inhale and exhale through one nostril at a time, and we're going to alternate each time. So, for example, you'll start with occluding one nostril, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. Then we're going to repeat starting with the other nostril, opposite nostril that we started with. So inhale, that was for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. And then we're going to repeat this, keep doing this for 2 minutes. Okay, and you can set a timer on your phone if you need to, and make sure you set the alarm to something calming, but do that for 2 minutes. And the reason why we are doing this exercise, there's actually 2 reasons. One is because our nervous system has 2 sides to it. So you have the sympathetic nervous system, and then you have the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is your fight or flight mode. Okay, so your body thinks it's being chased by a bear, it's panicking to run, and this is basically your anxiety. Then you have your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest. This is when you're relaxed, your body is living its best life. Now, the 2 cannot be on at the same time. So when your anxiety is on, you cannot relax. Okay? Now, when we actively breathe, we can actually activate this parasympathetic nervous system so it starts to turn on, which means it starts to quiet down the sympathetic nervous system, otherwise known as our anxiety. Okay? Now, the second reason is because our mind is super intelligent. It has the ability to think about the past, the future, the present. It's all over the place, okay? It can be great. However, in anxiety, it tends to just focus on the future, focus on the past. Like, it just keeps cycling through one of them or both, and it doesn't break the cycle, okay? It doesn't bring us back to the present, which we need so that we can deal with things one step at a time. Now we focus on our breath instead of our minds because our breath doesn't think about the future, doesn't think about the past. It's one thing that we always have that's present. And this is why we focus on our breath. Our breath will help keep us grounded so that we can take and deal with things one step at a time.